Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest jam ever. It only takes 2 ingredients and less than 20 minutes. Now this recipe will only make 2 jars this size or 1 jar, 8-ounce jar. But isn't this great for gifting? You know, it's just a nice size. And let's say you want to teach your grandkids how to make jam. Very easy for them. It's not a huge production, just a very small batch. Now, of course, you can double this recipe too and make more, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to make 2 little jars of pineapple jam. And this is great on toast, on top of a cheesecake, or on your ice cream. Eating right out of the jar is also so good. Now, let's get started. This is all you need: 3/4 cup white sugar and an 8-ounce crushed pineapple. That's all there is to it. For a lot of jams, you have to add pectin, but not this one. And no lemon juice is needed to increase the acidity because pineapple is naturally acidic. Let's pour in our sugar. Pour in our pineapple. Okay. And you didn't want to drain the pineapple. You want all the juice too. Okay, mix it up. And that's it. Now we're going to put it on the stove top. So I'm using this taller pot instead of my regular Waterbath canner. I don't need anything that big. And then I'm just putting in this old cake pan, turning it upside down, so jars don't have to be right at the bottom. And then I'm just putting in some jars. I'm going to put in some water and let these heat up while we're making the jam. So we're going to need to bring this to boil. It's really important through this process that we stir it quite often because you don't want it to get scorched on the bottom. Okay, you can see it's starting to boil. And now we're just going to let it boil for 20 minutes or so. When it gets the thickness we want, we'll be back. Okay, this is at about 5 minutes into it. You see it is thickening up a little. Such a pretty color. Okay, this is after about 12 minutes. Can you see how it's thickening up? This might even be done before 20 minutes. See? Still want to keep on stirring. It's going well. The other great thing about this recipe, other than only using 2 ingredients and being incredibly fast, is you don't need a candy thermometer to figure out when it's at the gel stage. Okay, it has been only 15 minutes, but I'm calling it. I think it's fine. Turn it off. So what happens if you didn't stir it long enough and get it thick enough? Well, then it's a bit runny, so it will make great ice cream topping. So just say you made ice cream topping, not pineapple jam, and nobody will know the difference. Fill our jars. See, that is just fine. Gotta clean this pan. So good. Okay, we'll just debubble quick. Just make sure there's no sticky stuff. Okay. Now you know I'm a big 4 jars proponent because they support YouTubers who have canning channels and they help them give a lot of giveaways. Just a great company. And if you want to try their lids, I have a discount code down below. And I can honestly say I have never not had a jar seal with my 4 jars lids. And if you're interested in purchasing them, I do have discount code and link for you. Save you just a little bit of money. Okay, Google, stop. Okay, that was to tell us 20 minutes, but this got done way faster than 20 minutes. So, okay, just finger tighten. Now we're gonna put them in our pot. Now at this stage right here, you can just lit them up, put them in the refrigerator, and they'll keep for 3 weeks. Well, that is if you can keep your family away from eating them. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to can them too. So we're gonna water bath can these 2 jars. Okay, 1. And you want the water 2 inches above. Okay, and definitely boiling. You want a nice rolling boil. And then we're going to time it for 10 minutes. If you're above 6,000 elevation, you want to process for 15 minutes. Now, aren't those jars lovely? I want you to see the beautiful color. Isn't it pretty? Sunshine in a jar. Well, let's look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yeah. Slather some on. There we go. Let's do our taste test. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. So, so good. Of course, it's very sweet, but very pineapple-y too. Really is fantastic. Now, if you love to can and make jam, but then you look at your pantry shelves and go, oh, what am I going to do with all those jars of jam? Watch this video for ideas.